Predstavnik Ujedinjenih nacija u Srbiji, Lenart Koce-lajnen, je 25 godina radio u Visokom komesarijatu Ujedinjenih nacija za izbjeglice i tako proputovao ceo svet. Ovog ponedeljka u Foxu Neformalno vidjet ćete kako ovaj Šveđanin danas živi u Beogradu, šta radi, gde stanuje i kako se priprema za Božić 25. decembra.
Najpre kafa u kancelarijskoj kafeteriji. Priča se o Georgeu Bushu i incidentu sa gađanjem cipelama u Iraku. Priča se i o Božiću.
Santa Lucia, which is important, so there was Christmas carols and Swedish.
When do you put up your tree, by the way?
Oh, a few days. No, just some people put it on 24 or on the 24th, I think.
Dnevni sastanak sa saradnicima.
Good morning. Hi, how are you? Okay.
Fine, how are you?
Good, fine, thanks.
Where are we going?
Yeah, we're going to the Aero Club because there's a round table on asylum there today, you know. So we're going to discuss all this today in a round table.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, good.
Okrugli sto se odužio.
What is happening with the UNHCR's initiative to solve the long-standing problem of refugees from Croatia who are still living in Serbia and who lost some rights in Croatia?
Yeah, we had planned a meeting where the Deputy Prime Ministers of Serbia and Croatia would meet with the High Commissioner for Refugees in Geneva. Unfortunately, the meeting didn't turn out as we had hoped for because the Croatian government didn't find it possible to participate. But the Serbian delegation had a very good meeting with the High Commissioner, and he was fully briefed and he's fully engaged, and it was emphasized in this meeting that all the individual rights of refugees have to be respected. So if people have the lost pensions or their tenancy rights, or if they had lost property, all these rights have to respect it, regardless whether they return to Croatia or not.
So, where is your family now?
Luckily, my wife is here with me. She's working in the Swedish embassy, in fact. But my three sons, who are grown-ups, they are back in Sweden. I worked for 25 years with the UNHCR, so they grew up with me in different countries, but they have gone back to Sweden. I'm very happy about that because it's important for everybody to have a country, feel that you belong somewhere, and they are rooted back in Sweden now.
I understand you had a recent addition to your family.
Yeah, we have a small grandchild, a small boy who is now 7 months old. You know, this is small. Eje, who is, of course, our favorite as the first grandchild. This is sort of a new experience for us. Unfortunately, me being here in Belgrade, we cannot see him very often. In fact, they have gone to India now for Christmas, so I won't even see them for Christmas. But this is also of course, my children. They grew up abroad, and they also want to see a lot of the world, and this is sort of has become a part of them as well, you know, when you grow up as they have done in different countries.
Okay, so these are Christmas decorations.
Yeah, this is, in Sweden, every family has a flower like this. This is really the Christmas flower of Sweden. It's mandatory. And then,
how is it called in Swedish?
Julstjärna. It's kind
Jul
of
is Christmas.
Yes, Jul is Christmas, and a Christmas star. This is sort of And then we have 4 weeks before Christmas, the fourth Sunday before Christmas, you light one candle, and then each Sunday you light one more. And now, of course, there is still one to go. Christmas is very important for us because, you know, it's dark in Sweden in December. It's quite awful, actually, in terms of the weather. But, you know, we need light, and that's why in each home you have a lot of candles. In each window you even have light decorations. So this is because of the climate is what it is. So you need to feel a little comfortable.
Okay, thank you for your participation. That was very nice to meet you.
Thank you for having me on the show.
Koce-lajnen će Božić ipak provesti kod kuće u Švedskoj. Milica Mančić-Stojković, Fox televizija.
Bye.